All right, just like that again.
Just like that again.
Sorry.
I can't do it. What's up, Blockheads? Today we're gonna make it rain Sena HD speakers on the Blockhead crew. Yeah.
Connected.
All right, so as you guys know, Sena recently came out with the 50S and the 50R, which Anna and I made a video on. And one of the selling points of the 50 was that they have HD speakers. The cool thing about the HD speakers is that you are actually able to take these and use them on the 30. So with a software or firmware upgrade, right, you'll basically have the functionality to be able to hook up these HD speakers and then also enable Mesh 2.0 with the 30Ks. Change the speakers, update the firmware, and you've pretty much got the functionality of 50, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
So Anna has more info on like firmware update and apps and all that stuff, so.
Yeah, so Sena has a desktop updater for your firmware. A lot of people don't know that you're supposed to update your firmware on your Sena. You can go on their website and download it, plug in whatever Sena you have, and it'll usually detect it. There are instructions for like different Senas, but it'll download the newest firmware that's available, and then you just click to upgrade and it upgrades your firmware. So for the HD speakers, you know, you'll download the newest firmware, you know, put it into your Sena, and
bada bing, bada boom, you're ready to go.
and
Blast out to your bass music, which will be even bassier now.
even bassier. So make sure to like test it with a Milli by Lil Wayne.
Yeah, that's right. That's the pretty, common bass test.
Yeah.
A milli, a milli, a milli, a milli, a milli.
There's also the mobile app. Sena has the 30K utility app available for Android and iPhone. The newest 30K utility app is available for Android phones, and then the iOS one will be available shortly. It's 30K. So the one for the iPhone will be available shortly, and you should be able to go into your app and then hit the setting to turn on your HD speakers and have HD speakers.
We'll show some footage of getting the software, running some updates. So this 30K is Eric's. So we're gonna run the update on that and we'll walk you guys through that process. Unfortunately, Anna's leaving us. Boo! All right, somebody else boo with me. Boo! Boo! Yeah.
For Bike Week this year, Sena was super cool and hooked the whole crew up with new 30Ks. And now they're being super cool again and hooking the whole crew up with all new HD speakers.
I feel like Oprah.
Make it rain speakers.
Yeah, big shout out to Sena. Really appreciate you all. Y'all be sure to check them out. I'll be sure to drop links to everything, software update, as well as the speakers, the 30K, the 50s, all that stuff down in the description below. So if y'all are interested in scooping any of it up, check the links down in the description below. We've got Eric's Sena 30K plugged in. Woo! Plugged in. Next. All right, so we're updating here. Firmware updated successfully. You're good to disconnect. Boop. All right, you have a 30. Yeah. There's your speakers. You have a 30, right?
All right.
There's your speakers, your HD speakers.
What?
You don't have one, so you're getting one tomorrow, so I'll hook you up with that one. There you go. Cheers. Fresh out, bro.
Oh, we missed you, man. We got you. It's not a big jump, but there's plenty of stickers. Yeah, did you buy like a secondhand helmet, bro?
All right, guys, so normally the song that I recommend for a good bass test is A Milli by Lil Wayne. So that's my go-to.
That's a good one.
Y'all can use whatever you want, but all we're doing is getting your first thoughts and impressions on the speakers, the updated Sena HD speakers. Up first, our resident gear expert, Edwin, Instagram right there. So he works at Cycle Gear. He likes long walks on the beach and dark chocolate.
I do like chocolate. I'm gonna take your advice on the song you choose from that.
I love that video.
It's way different. That's got bass on it. See if I blow my ears out.
Yeah, that's clear even with all the bass.
Yeah.
Wow, I don't get distorted. It's clear the bass comes through and you still get all the treble and everything. So it's way better. It's definitely a lot better, I would say,
Nice.
compared to the previous speakers.
Good job, Sena.
Yes, thank you.
So my track of choice is Little Rob, Summer Nights.
All right, guys. So we got Bagger Bro
What's up?
doing the initial thoughts and impressions here with the new Sena speakers. So whenever you're ready, hit play. Let us know your thoughts.
Okay, here we go. Cruising through my neighborhood on a warm summer night. Oh, what? Hold on, wait. The sun goes down. I'm ready to party. Oh wow! I feel like I'm there. Like I feel like I'm sitting in front of like a Bose stereo system. The bass is there. I mean, you need treble when you're riding at speed, but like it's just there. I don't know if like I positioned them right in my ears, but it sounds really. It feels like I feel the depth of the music.
So how's the clarity like when it's loud though? I can hear that from here.
Yeah, I can't.
Are you talking? Much better.
Dang.
No, I'm not gonna throw them. These are still good. I'm not gonna throw stuff away. But these are much better. Hey, Sena. Thank you so much. I can't wait to go on a trip with these things.
What did Revzilla say?
They said that the 50S speakers were better than the Cardo JBL.
Yeah, you know what? Sena, West, y'all.
Is that some gang shit? Do I have to remove that from the video? All right, we got Patrick up next.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, what tune do you have? What you got selected?
Oh, yeah, old school.
Ludacris? Oh, yeah.
All right, so,
Whenever you're ready.
all right, ready?
Let's go.
You right there?
That amazing, man. It's kind of immersive, right? Kind of take you into the experience itself. I don't know, and I can actually tell that the difference is actually night and day. So this is good. Great job. Getting ready for the next ride. We'll be going to the club with this thing, man.
Nice.
Yeah, you were yelling, man.
It was loud, but I mean.
I'll tell you what, I put the volume up and you can't hear nothing except the music, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's definitely louder. Soon as I turned it on, just the intro beat was like I had the volume up too much, you know what I mean? So, but it definitely sounds clearer, like high definition, and you definitely hear more bass, you know what I mean? It's like a whole new system.
Yeah.
Definitely, it's good. I
Yeah.
like it.
So you guys will have to let us know, like, whenever we ride tomorrow.
Yeah.
The thoughts and impressions
To
of
see the
two
riding,
speed,
yeah, and talking, yeah.
Talking and whatnot, yeah.
Exactly. All right, cool.
Awesome, man.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Thanks, Sena.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Banana.
Is this part of your thing? You only eat high-vis food?
It seems like it, right? Anybody got a lime?
This is the day after we got updates and all that for the Blockhead crew with the HD speakers. Eric's also running an update on Gelato's 30. We're gonna get an update on Kenny's as well. But last night, Eric, Greg, and Edwin rode with them last night. And so what were you just saying about?
The volume, it's the first time on the highway that I didn't have to put it up all the way. We probably had it halfway or 3/4. You could hear each other clear. And three of us were talking. Yeah, three of us were talking completely clear. If I had to compare it, it was like when you talk on the phone.
Yeah.
Like that quality, like
Yeah,
on the
dude.
phone talking. And then Edwin got off the off ramp and was like going. And usually, as soon as someone veers off, you'll hear the static right away. But he kept on talking to them for like, you know, probably like, you know,
Solid
I don't
30
know,
seconds.
Yeah, a good
Yeah.
solid 30 seconds. I mean, he was gone on the off ramp and we kept talking to him. So
Nice.
definitely the range has picked up too.
Awesome. So clarity, range, loudness.
Yep,
Yeah.
all those three
depth.
things for sure.
It's a lot louder. Usually on the highway, my Sena's turned all the way up, right? And I get a lot of wind noise in my helmet, so it's hard to hear people. With the new update and the speakers, I literally had it halfway up, and it was perfect.
So Eric actually called me after he got home last night talking about how different it was, saying that it sounded like you were just talking to somebody like you were talking to me right now.
Yeah, it was so clear.
All right, guys, so we got Gelato coming from like the Sena 5, and he's got the 30 now, and then the HD speakers. So we'll see what he thinks about the change. Go to your Bluetooth, then it should show up as 30. There you go.
Did you turn the volume down?
You rotate the jog dial. So if you rotate it this way,
Okay.
it's volume up. This way is volume down.
So forwards is down.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna play some music.
you just jump.
Okay. So first of all, guys, I'm coming from the old school Sena, and that one had one speaker. I believe that was in the left ear. It was like a total night and day difference from riding solo with nothing, but going from that to this is night and day. And this is rad. I mean, I can actually hear the lyrics. Like, it's clear. Sounds amazing. So I'm pumped, man. Thank you, guys.
Kenny's got the upgraded speakers now. Rocking the 30. We got them all updated with the latest firmware. So what song you going with?
Oh, I don't know. I gotta find something.
My achy breaky heart.
That ain't my truck in her driveway.
I know what it's gotta be. Baby Shark, dude. Put it on. I know.
I already listened to that enough.
One dad to another dad.
Listen, my friend. Baby Shark will be in your life the next couple months.
Forever.
I'll go with Cowboy by Kid Rock.
All right.
Because I'm a cowboy.
Oh yeah, that's way better.
Yeah.
Like, I gotta turn it down because I can't hear you guys. The difference for me is gonna be on long trips and talking with everybody and being able to have just clear conversations and not like, wait, what'd you say?
Yeah.
I said get off at this exit, I gotta pull over. Like, that is gonna be the difference. Instead of having to go, hey, repeat that, what?
Right.
I can just tell I'm gonna be able to hear better. And that's the difference for me. I mean, music's great, but I got speakers. It's just the clear communication is what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
So
That's what it's
this
built
is
for.
gonna be it, for
Yeah.
sure.
Awesome. Well, we're about to put it to the test. So.
Yeah.
Hello. Phone connected. Mesh intercom on. Open mesh.
Yeah.
Channel 1.
Call. You know?
Yeah. At least, what? Oh.
What's loud? All right, who's all in here? We got Greg.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm one.
Kenny. Javi, you in here?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's just, yeah, night and day. That's definitely
Hella
the way.
upgrade.
Oh yeah. Dang, Eric.
Eric.
A little scrapey.
He's ready to go, I think.
Right? All right, so we're going like what, 80?
Yeah. About 75. About 70.
So Kenny, you're gonna be doing most of your riding around this. How's the clarity?
Oh, way better, for sure. I don't feel like I have to yell or anybody else has to yell. And I can 100% hear everything you're saying and not like have to guess. Because I'm half deaf as it is. So, like, half the time I'm asking people to repeat stuff anyways. Because I'm just half deaf. But, yeah, oh, so much better.
How old are you? How are you half deaf already?
The motorcycles and gun stuff, maybe not half, but I definitely have a little bit of hearing loss.
Yeah.
I don't know, I grew up shooting without hearing protection. That's just out of, that's the way it was.
6 hours later.
All right, guys. Somehow we've ended up at a cigar bar, enjoying our cigars and some frosty beverages. But after having used the Senas all day with the upgraded HD speakers and firmware, overall thoughts, guys?
I'm digging it.
Good stuff.
Great job, Sena.
Awesome. Good job, Sena.
Loved it.
Love it.
I just can't wait to see what the 50K looks like.
Now you gotta talk like an old-timey gangster.
Man, see, if you got a Sena 30k, you can upgrade to the HD speakers, see?
Seriously, I don't know what kind of sorcery they did with it, but like, the Mesh 2.0 was phenomenal.
Like even on the ride here when we were on the highway, there were times where it's like I didn't think I was connected to anybody because the noise cancellation is great, but then when somebody actually talks, you can hear them totally perfectly clear.
I actually made a phone call on it.
And are you in here?
You don't hear the bike?
Yeah, you made a phone call?
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of times people that you're talking to on the phone don't know that you're riding a motorcycle.
Okay, when I'm driving home from work in my ship, my S-Box Civic, right? It's got some like old school like mic with the Alpine stereo, and it doesn't have any noise cancellation. Every time I'm in the car and I'm talking to Greg, like I'll call him on the way home, he's like,
You on the bike?
"Are you on the bike?"
Yeah.
I'm like, "No, man, I'm in the Civic." He's like, "Oh, okay."
Civic sounds terrible.
But then when I ride the bike to work and I get off, and you know, same phone call. He's like, bro, are you in your truck or something? I'm like, no, dude, I'm on the bike. He's like, bro, I can't hear anything.
And since we updated yours to that button mic, much better, much better. Can hear you clear as day. Good job, Sena. We appreciate it. Highly recommend you guys, if you have the 30Ks, to get the new speakers. If you're looking to upgrade, that's basically the process of doing the 30Ks, which makes them, what did you say, pretty much equivalent to the 50s, almost. So.
New firmware with the Mesh 2.0.
Yeah, if you guys want more information on that, check out the links down in the description below. Yeah, we'll be sure to link to everything. And as always, big thanks to Captain Anna for facilitating everything, setting up the crew. Appreciate you. If y'all have any questions or anything like that, be sure to post them up down in the comments below. Let us know, and we'll answer to the best of our knowledge. Big thanks to Blockhead crew. Appreciate you guys testing them out. Thanks, guys. If y'all enjoyed the video, hit the like, hit subscribe if you're not subscribed, hit the bell icon. Hit that bell icon also so it sends you notifications for future uploads and activity. Until next time, ride safe, stay vigilant. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.